Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer salad recipes for weight loss. Now all the salads will be very healthy and extremely fulfilling. If you have them as your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner, it's your own choice. They'll definitely help you lose at least 6 to 7 kilos in just 15 to 20 days. Yes, these salads are very effective. So without any further delay, let's begin with summer salads for weight loss. Now the first salad is very fiber rich and definitely you'll love having it. Mango chickpea salad. In a bowl, add boiled chickpeas. Now I have soaked them overnight and then in the morning in a pressure cooker I have boiled them. Add those. Along with that, I have added fresh chopped mango. Now this is just half a mango. Don't use over mango. Just half a mango is enough for freshness and for taste. Along with that, I've added fresh cucumber. To this, I have added cherry tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes as well. And to this, I'll add squeezed lemon and black pepper powder. You do not need any kind of salt for this, so as much as you can avoid salt, we'll avoid it. Lemon juice does the trick. Mix it well and have it fresh. The salad tastes amazing and is definitely very good for weight loss. Now the second salad is tofu salad. It is very healthy and protein rich salad. If you guys are on high protein diet, this salad will definitely do the trick. Now for this I'm using boiled broccoli. So I've washed this broccoli properly and then steamed it well and then blanched it. Along with this I've added chopped cubes of tofu. Now this is homemade tofu. You can also take it from the market, it's completely fine. Now to this I've added cucumber, cherry tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes as well for freshness. Now I'll prepare a dressing with it that goes extremely well. So all you need is 1 lemon squeezed, the juice of the lemon. So 1 lemon squeezed. In that I'll add olive oil. You can use any olive oil which is readily available in the market. I am using extra virgin olive oil. To this, I'll add black pepper powder and you can also add some roasted jeera powder if you're okay with it. Just mix it well and pour it over the salad. It is so delicious and so fulfilling. It gives such a good flavor to the salad and you need no salt for this. So no salt. These salads will not contain any kind of salt. You'll reduce your bloating and as well as reduce weight very quickly. Enjoy your high protein salad. Now the last salad is sprout salad. Now but with this I'll be giving you a special dressing, my famous and definitely most delicious dressing of all times. For this you will need 1 bowl. In that add some sprouted moong dal. You can also sprout white chanas. You can also sprout black gram, that is black chana, as per your own choice. I'm using sprouted moong dal. With this I'll be adding fresh cucumber, tomatoes and some blanched broccoli for taste, for fiber. Now how to prepare the salad dressing? All you need is take 2 tablespoons of hung curd. Now here I'm using normal curd. You can use hung curd. To this add lemon juice, olive oil, black pepper powder, and I'm using oregano here also. You can skip oregano if it's not your taste. And some chili flakes for the spiciness. Just mix it all well and pour it over the salad. It is the most delicious dressing that you will be having. It is so good and tastes amazing. You need no salt for this again. So enjoy these 3 salad recipes for weight loss, and for summer seasons you can reduce approximately 6 to 7 kilos in just 15 to 20 days very easily with these salads. These are fulfilling and contains mango as well, the summer fruit. If you want personalized diet plans for me, you can mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com, or my contact details are given in the description box below. Check it out and start your weight loss journey with me. Follow me on Instagram. I upload daily delicious recipes on it with which you can lose weight, and also my time transformations. So do not forget to check it out, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.